Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the quiet neighborhood of Belvedere Red Hills on over an acre of well-fruited land is this 10-bedroom, 10-bathroom house. There are two structures on the property, which are ideal to house a bed and breakfast, a rustic retreat, or a multifamily home. Amenities include a built-in solar system, water storage, outdoor pizza oven, and an unmatched view. This is truly a touch of paradise tucked away in the hills. Guys, let's take a quick look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 1.5 million or Jamaican $230.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.